Alright, today I'm taking out this awning for this customer on the back of their house. Nice little demolition job for today. Probably going to rip all the shingles off first to get some of that weight off, and hopefully can tear it down with my machine, but these are always kind of a guessing game of how they're going to come out, so I'll get going on it, see what happens. Thanks for watching. All complete.